I think, professional and personal growth go hand in hand. When you put family first, you're not putting business second. Balance exists, and that's really the culture that GSF promotes.
Honestly, the freedom of the schedule that you have with this kind of a company is just fantastic. It allows you a lot of personal time to spend with the family.
Working for GSF allows me to be with my kids on a daily basis, so I'm able to get them onto the bus and off the bus for school.
I started working at GSF when I was 23 years old. I've grown up here, not only my personal life, but my career.
Definitely not the same loan officer I was when I started with the company. GSF is very good about education, and that's made a huge difference for me.
I felt for the first time I was in a company that had a platform base that I could do what I always did best, and that was grow.
The company's really enabled me to hit my income goals and exceed those goals, and gives me a company that I'm proud of, that treats people fairly and allows me to express my ideas and they're listened to be a bigger part of the team.